Hey guys, so the crew has been working on the house for 2 weeks now, so I'll take you inside and give you an update. Okay, here we are, entryway. You can see we now have drywall up, and we're missing a beam all the way across here. So we're missing the studs that were going through here for like the small divider wall that I used to have here with my my coffee bar and my pantry area right there. So I can't see through the house anymore, so that's good. Show you there. We have a French door here for the patio all installed. And we got the kind that has the little lines on the inside. All right. Living room. Take it down this way. We are in the bathroom, upstairs bathroom. Our tub in. So there's that. Our big closet back here is all drywalled. Now this room, this closet was like an addition to the house at some point in time, and it was never insulated. So here's another bedroom. It's technically the master bedroom. Yeah, but that closet was never insulated. So in the wintertime, it would be freezing in there. And when it's hot outside, it was sweltering in that closet. There's the second biggest upstairs bedroom. That done. There's the little bedroom. It's kind of dark in here. See? Little bedroom with a big window. Okay, and this was little Riker's room. This was like the second most destroyed room. So it was kind of strange. Like the fire just kind of went from the kitchen up through the ceiling and then like really hit that room in there. So he was devastated. Okay, go down. Downstairs. So we do still have some exposed studs, but there's kind of some detail work they need to finish up as far as drywall goes. Our garage, all drywalled again. So that's good. Downstairs bathroom, not a lot that's changed in there. So, but we did get the shower in this weekend. So it'll turn into the laundry room. Got quite a bit of drywall up here. This is the little office. I think our windows and doors are supposed to be in this week. We don't have to change the downstairs windows are all fine, but the upstairs windows all had to be replaced. So, I think he said those were supposed to be in this week. Oh yeah, my closet. That's looking good. And this is the big downstairs bedroom that we use as the master, because it's the biggest, and it could still be used as like a family room or whatever too. So there's our closet. It's not gonna be nice and huge. So yeah, I think I like, yeah. Excuse me. All right. So yeah, I think I like that much better than the like recessed, than the closet that was kind of out with like recessed areas on the sides and then shelving like exposed. So I like this better. Okay. So okay, guys, so that's just a brief little house update for you. We are supposed to be moving into we are moving into our temporary permanent housing this week in like 5-ish days. So excited for that. So once that happens, I plan to have more videos rolling out to you guys, and we're just kind of almost like getting life back on track instead of being in this like transient mode that we've been in since March. So excited for that. I'm happy to show the progress on the house, and yeah, I'll just keep on showing you guys progress, and I will have, you know, other types of videos coming in the next couple weeks. So thank you so much for watching, guys, all these years. Thank you, and see you next time.